Inside the box, you will find the projector, the power cable, 2 interactive pens with rechargeable batteries and a battery charger, the pin stand, pen tips, the remote control and its batteries, auto image adjustment markers, magnets for the adjustment markers, the cable cover, the lens cover, and the printed materials for use with the projector. Some models also include a control pad and its AC adapter, power cable and AC adapter holder, a USB cable for connecting a computer to the control pad, a touch unit and its cable, calibration markers, and infrared deflectors. The installer checklist tells you what items you will need to leave behind for the user, and also provides links you can use to access the projector installation instructions. The Start Here card provides operating instructions for the user once the projector is installed. In order to install the projector on the wall, you will need the mount. The mount includes an adjustable arm, a 3-axis mounting plate for the projector, a long adjustment screw, a wall plate covers, the end cap, and hardware for assembling and securing the mount. You can attach a mini PC to the wall plate and then hide it behind the cover when installation is complete.